Welcome back. Today we are making delicious sweet potato pie bars.
Nice and caramelized on top for a nice little added crunch, smooth and creamy on the inside.
I can't wait to show you how to do it, so let's jump right in.
We're gonna start with 2 baked sweet potatoes.
So when you bake it, the natural sugars from the sweet potato ooze out, so it tastes like candy, but it's like a little bit sweeter.
And you just wanna poke your fork through it to make sure it's nice and tender. And so now we're gonna melt some butter. I'm gonna put the exact measurements of everything in the description box, so definitely check that for the details. And we're gonna make our almond flour crust. So it's really simple. We're just gonna mix together almond flour and melted butter and get this kind of nice clumpy consistency that we can actually press down into the bottom of our baking dish. Also, our butter is salted, so I didn't add any salt here, but you can if you want to. So we're gonna pop that in the oven and let that bake while we work on our sweet potato filling. You want a smooth bites, that's why we're peeling the skin off. All right, so we're gonna smash that. You can use a fork or a mixer. I'm just using a fork because they're really tender. And I'm gonna add some raw honey as a sweetener. And also some monk fruit allulose blend. This is my brown sugar replacement, but it doesn't spike your glycemic levels, so it's really good. All right, now I'm also gonna add some fresh squeezed lemon to brighten up the flavors. And then we're gonna add vanilla extract, some cinnamon, and some nutmeg. And then now we're gonna add in our melted butter and stir this all up. You're basically gonna season it like you would a sweet potato pie. So now we're also gonna add in some organic coconut milk. And here is where, after you mix it up, really season to taste. You definitely want to make sure it's tasting how you want before you add in your egg. All right, now we're gonna taste it and make sure it's good. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna add in our egg since it's tasting good and just mix that up. Their egg is gonna be a binder. All right, it looks like our almond flour crust is done. So next, all we need to do is add in our filling, just like you would a pie. Just spread it out, get it nice and smooth at the top. I like to add some dashes of cinnamon on top. It just adds a nice little color, a little extra flavor, a little spice. And we'll pop that back in the oven. And while we're doing that, we are gonna make our candied pecans. So I'm gonna take some butter, some fresh pecans, and smash that up. We also added a little bit of monk fruit too to get it nice and caramelized. All right, so we're gonna take our pie back out so we can add in our candied pecans on top. I call it sweet potato pie bars because, I don't know, I just put it in this little rectangle baking dish and I like to cut it up in little serving size bars. It just makes it fun, something different. Nice and caramelized on top for a nice little added crunch, smooth and creamy on the inside. Let's slice it up. Oh yeah.
Now we are going to go in for a taste test. All right, 3, 2, 1, cheers. I really like the candied pecans on top. It adds a nice little crunch, and then the almond flour crust is nice and crispy. I love the texture. I love this with the candied pecans on top. Oh my God, those are so good. If you're looking for a way to kind of level up and do something slightly different than your traditional sweet potato pie, maybe try making these sweet potato pie bars. I say bars, but it's basically like a sweet potato pie. I think the only difference is the shape. The way we did our crust is a little different with the almond flour crust. And then we've got our candied pecans on top, which is fantastic. So thanks for watching. Definitely give this a try. Please be sure to like and subscribe so we know that you're enjoying this content, and comment below. And if you have any suggestions of some similar things or different things to make, let me know. If it's whole food based and nutritious, I'm down to try it out. Check out our other videos. We've got some more up here and up here. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you next time.